Good morning, friends. Here are some idioms related to exams. Hit the books. Hit the books means to study. To study. जब आप पूरी रात रात पढ़ते हैं तो I hit the books throughout the night. If I say call it a day, let's call it a day. It means to finish. बहुत देर होगी पढ़ते पढ़ते हुए. So let's call it a day. If I say speak of the devil, आपने मुहावरा सुना होगा. Think of the devil and devil appears. मतलब appear होना, कहीं पे प्रकट होना. So appear. अगर मैं बोलता हूँ break the leg. Break the leg means टांग तोड़ने से मतलब नहीं है. Break the leg means to get success. Finally, I broke the leg. It means I got success. I got success. Yes, if someone says miss the boat, oh, I'm sorry, I missed the boat. It means I got failed. I couldn't make it. Got failed. Yes. If someone says it's a piece of cake means very easy thing. अगर मैं कहूँ it's not a piece of cake, it means it's not a very easy thing. It's a difficult task. So piece of cake means easy things. So get your act together. Get your act together means to be organized or to stay organized. When you are organized, you can say, I get my act together. It's not a rocket science. It means it's not a difficult thing. It's not a difficult thing means difficult. Yes. If you say come to mind means to remember. याद रहना एग्जाम्स में remember नहीं रहता है. It doesn't come to my mind. So remember. And here's the last one on the tip of tongue. Tip of tongue पे होना. Tongue के tip पे जब कोई चीज होती है, you can recall it very easily. So it means to recall. It is on the tip of my tongue. Thank you very, very much for such a